I have a great story with the Rav, with Rebbe Solovechik. He was a Gaon Olam. He was a very deep Chacham. And he knew a lot of Torah, and a lot of other Chachmas as well. He was the Rosh Yeshiva. So the Rav knew the Rebbe from Berlin. And he had a relationship with the Rebbe, a long-standing relationship with the Rebbe. They considered each other friends. He considered the Rebbe his friend. They were about the same age. The Rebbe was 2 years older than he was. And they knew each other from Berlin. Anyway, he was convinced by I don't know who to come to the Fabrengen of Yud Shvat Toshin Mem. The Rebbe's 30th anniversary of the Nasias, the Rav came. It was a very big cover for the Rebbe and a big cover for the Rav. You ever saw the videos? The Rebbe wouldn't sit down. The Rebbe walked in, the Rebbe knew he was going to be there. The Rebbe waited for him. The Rebbe came in late, so he should have his seat first. The Rebbe walked in, he stops and he shook his hands. The Rebbe walks to his seat and stands. The Rebbe doesn't sit down until he does. He was supposed to stay for half an hour. He stayed for a couple hours, which was unusual. He was an old man. And when the Rav stood up, the Rebbe stood up. And the Rebbe walked over to him and gave him shalom. And the Rebbe wouldn't sit back down until he left the room. The Rebbe remained standing. So the whole shul stood up. When the Rebbe stood up, the whole shul stood up. And the Rebbe wouldn't sit till he left. Which is an unbelievable covet. A kid said, when he got back into the car, so he had one of his Talmidim with him. One of his Talmidim was a big famous Rosh Yeshiva, big Talmud Chacham. A Gaon was with the Rav. So first of all, when he got into the car, he says, what does the Rav say? So Rabbi Solovechik said, "It is a Gaon, it is a Godel, it is a Manig Yisrael." He's a Gaon and a Godel and a Manig Yisrael. He said, very nice. The Rav was very impressed with the Rebbe. He knew the Rebbe. But a Gaon, there is a Godel, there is a Manig Yisrael. But the next day, somebody came into him, could be it was a Lubavitcher, and he said, what's the difference between a Rav and a Rebbe? What's the difference between a Rav and a Rebbe? You listening, Shimshon?
Yeah.
He says, a Rav has smich, he teaches Torah. A Rebbe has the kanei hoid of Moshe Rabbeinu. Has the glow, the radiating glow of Moshe Rabbeinu. So the Rav said, I knew the Rebbe from Amol, but last night I saw the kanei hoid. That's what his word. Last night I saw the kanei hoid of Moshe Rabbeinu.